Hello friends, I am Justin Paul Matthew from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today I would be explaining you a code to explain the hashing function, to implement the hashing function. So I started with the header file hash include iostream and then cstdlib, then using namespace std, which is the standard library for input and output facilities, and then I have created an array, and then I have initialized all the elements as -1, and then I have created three functions like insert, display, and delete for three different functions. Like insert is for inserting the elements, display is for displaying the elements, and delete is for deleting the elements. And then after that, in the main function, I'm showing the operation which this code will be doing, like insert, display, delete, and then exit. So in a switch case, I'm again putting that, and if the user enters 1, it will perform the insert function. If the user enters 2, it will perform the display function, and in the same way, like delete and then exit. Like so, for insert here, first we are passing the element which we need to insert. So it is the int x which is being passed through the main function, and then we are calculating the position at which it is to be inserted. So position is equal to x, the element which we want to insert, mod 5. 5 is the total number of array. So if the total number of array is 6, then we will do x mod 6. So now we are checking whether that position there the element is there any element, or is it is null, that is -1. If it's null, then we'll go with a pos is equal to x. We'll be inserting, and then we'll display a message called data has been inserted. Else we will go to the next position, like int I is equal to pos plus 1 mod 5, and then again we will check whether there is that a of I is null or not. If it's not null, then we will go a of I is equal to x. After going through all this code, if all the elements have been inserted and there is no minus 1, that is no null uh, position, so then we will display element as the uh, hash is full, hash table is full. For displaying, it's very simple. We will have a for loop which starts from 0 till 5 and then I plus plus, and we will be displaying the array elements. And for delete, again we are passing the element which is to be deleted, and then here also we are calculating the position, that is y mod 5, and then we are checking the position, that is a of position is equal to the element which we want to delete. If it is the element, then we will like delete the element and we'll display that data has been deleted, and then we will initialize that position as -1, or else we'll go to the next position until we find that element. Or if we do not find it, like if z is equal to -1, then we will display a message called that data was not found. So let me run the program and show you how it works. So here it's asking enter your choice. First I want to insert uh, bit 12, that has been insert, again 1, 24, 1, 56, 1, 65, 34. So now as the hash has been full, so it element cannot be inserted. So we will display that, see, we can see hash, all the element hash is full. Now 3 we are deleting, uh, 65 we will delete 65. Data was at position 0, we deleted it, and now we will display. We can see the first element where we deleted, it's -1, and all that other elements the position are there. If we want to delete 56, 56, again the data has been deleted. We'll check, like, see, again we can see both the places are with -1. Again if we delete, we will delete the last, that is 24. Then we can see, if you want to display, see, we can see whenever the element is deleted, that position is initialized with -1. So I'll come out of this loop. So I hope you understood this program. Main concept is like, first the hash function, the table, so the maximum number of elements are being initialized. So first we will be checking the position, and then we will see whether that element is empty or not. If it's empty, we can insert, and then for deletion case, we will check whether that element is there or not. Until then, until the null function or the element is found. So I hope you understood the program. Thank you for watching my video.